Hey techies, welcome to Elephant Code. If you are new to the channel, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. You are watching a video from the PySpark playlist.
Welcome back. So today we will be seeing how we can extract the information from any PySpark data frame column which is of date data type or timestamp data type. So here we will try to extract the information like year, month, day of the month, hour, minute and second from any given date of data type, date or timestamp column in PySpark data frame. So for extracting this information, we will be making use of the same practical which we had performed in the last video. Okay, and we will take one of the existing column and try to create all these columns with these information. Okay, so let us go to the practical area. Okay, so all these functions are available inside the sql.functions module. So first we need to import all these functions. So like year, month, days of month, then we have hour, minute, second. We have so many, but we will try to focus on these which I just mentioned: year, month, day of the month, hour, minute and second. Okay, now what we can do, we had created so many so many different columns. Okay, we will take make use of maybe we can make use of this particular function which is of timestamp data type string, this particular column. Okay, so what we can do, we'll say df with column. So we are creating a new column, let's say year. Okay, and we'll just extract year and call of this. Okay, and we'll say df dot, let us just check whether we are getting the result or not. Okay, with this new column year. This is quite simple. Great. Okay, we need to assign this. Sorry, I could not able to assign this. While it is getting executed, let me do one thing. Let me just create a few more column. Okay, so here you can see that the new column year is already added. Okay, and it has extracted properly the year out of this data. Okay, so similarly we will try to extract the other information as well. Year, then we had month. So all these are nothing but we are trying to create new column month and then call of this. Then with column we'll try to add one more column. Here we will say day of month, which is nothing but date, and here we will say day of month. Okay, and then we will say here as hour, and here we will write hour and call of this. We forgot to add call of this. Yep, dot minute. So this is how you can add or you can extract the information of all the different date, I mean all the components of date, minute, minute, call of this, dot with, I'll say second. Let it complete. minute, then second of call this. Okay, and thereafter we are showing the data and we are also trying to print the schema. Okay, so this is how you can extract the information from any date column. So it's like you just need to pass the column, the timestamp column, to all these functions like year, month, day of the month, hour, minute and second. Okay, and thereafter you can do some kind of date manipulation, I mean operation as well, but that we are not taking. We are just trying to learn how we can extract all this information from the date column. Okay, so let us run this program to see whether we have all these new column created in the data frame or not, with all the specific extracted value like year, month, day of the month, hour, minute and second. And also remember that all these functions, year, month, day of the month, hour, minute, second, are available in PySpark.functions module. Okay, so you need to import all these functions before making use of it. Okay, so here you can see that we have already got our data frame created with all these new column: second, minute, hour, day of the month, year. So all these are nothing but integer data type. And if we see this the data, we can see that this particular column which we had used to extract the information is being extracted and put it into individual column perfectly. So like here, month is 4, date is 1, hour is 5, minute is 20 and second is 10. Okay, so we have successfully extracted all the information from any given timestamp column. Okay, so this is how you need to make use of all these functions available in the PySpark.functions module. Okay, so that's all for today. We will check some more date operation in the coming video. Thank you.
Elephant quiz of the day. What is the outcome of applying the year function to a timestamp column in PySpark? Option A extracts the year from the timestamp. Option B converts the timestamp to a year. Option C calculates the duration until the next year. And option D rounds the timestamp to the nearest year. Mention your answer in the comment section below. So that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe Elephant Code for future updates.